So we would like to invite you to come here to enjoy this this
iconic
building and this iconic view, the iconic guest house, Sopo in the whole Tapanuli. We will wait for you, and you will be served in the best way that you expect.
On the left side, you can see from here the valley of Silindu and the mount of Siatas Barita, on which no man said the apostle to the Batak meditated and prayed to the Lord that the whole people of the valley, Silindu, will be converted into Christianity. And he devoted his life, the whole of his life, to serve here. So, come and stay with us in this Sopo Nomen. Thank you.